In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view sales reports in WooCommerce quickly and easily. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just starting with WooCommerce, tracking your sales metrics is essential for understanding your business's performance and making informed decisions. Let's dive into the process without any delay. To begin, it's essential to be logged into your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. The dashboard acts as the central hub for your WordPress site, and from here, you can access all the necessary features and functionalities. It ensures you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. After you're in your WordPress dashboard, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find a menu item labeled WooCommerce. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is home to various features that help you manage your online store, including orders, products, and analytics. Next, look for the option labeled Reports. Clicking on Reports takes you to a dedicated section where you can view detailed sales data. This area is crucial as it gives you insights into your sales performance over different periods. Now you'll see several tabs across the top of the page. Let's start by exploring the Orders tab. This tab allows you to analyze sales data by date, product, or category. It's particularly useful if you're interested in identifying trends over time or seeing which products are performing best. Now let's delve into the Customers tab. Clicking on Customers will give you information about customer signups and orders. This section is incredibly valuable for understanding who your customers are and their purchasing behavior. By examining this data, you can tailor your marketing efforts and improve customer engagement. Finally, don't forget to check out the Stock section. In this area, you'll find reports related to your inventory, specifically low stock and out-of-stock items. Monitoring stock levels is vital for ensuring you meet customer demand without running into supply issues, which could affect your sales negatively. To recap, WooCommerce provides a comprehensive suite of reporting tools designed to give you a better understanding of your sales, customer behavior, and inventory levels. By navigating to the WooCommerce section in your WordPress dashboard, you can quickly access reports on orders, customers, and stock. Use this information to make informed decisions, optimize your sales strategy, and drive your business forward. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to view your sales reports in WooCommerce. Tracking these metrics is not just about numbers. It's about gaining insights that empower you to grow and optimize your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insightful tips on managing your online store effectively. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit.